Start. It has been further submitted that prior to issuance of the order under Section 82 CRPC, the investigating officer was required to furnish an affidavit as per judgment of this court in the case of Kuwar Mahendra Pratap Singh Supra, that having not been done, the impugned order, even otherwise, is unsustainable, particularly since affidavit by the investigating officer was submitted subsequent to the impugned order dated 31st August 2021, and therefore there was no material before the court concerned at the time of passing of the impugned order for recording subjective satisfaction regarding evasion of petitioner or his non-cooperation during investigation. Learned AGA, appearing on behalf of opposite parties has opposed the petition with the submission that the order impugned is perfectly cogent and reasonable and in accordance with the provisions of Section 82 CRPC, which therefore does not require any interference. It is submitted that the court concerned in the impugned order has clearly recorded the fact that the petitioner is not cooperating in the investigation and is evading arrest, due to which the order under Section 82 CRPC was required to be passed. Having considered submissions advanced by learned counsel for parties and upon perusal of material on record, it appears that initially an application was filed by the investigating officer for issuance of non-bailable warrant against the petitioner, whereafter non-bailable warrants were issued and subsequently the order impugned has been passed under Section 82 CRPC. It is not denied that the petitioner was initially not named in the first information report. From a perusal of the impugned order, it appears that the court concerned has passed orders under Section 82 CRPC after examining the case diary and upon the plea raised by the investigating officer regarding non-cooperation of petitioner in the investigations being carried out. However, it is also evident that a number of accused have been named in the first information report, but only a general allegation has been recorded in the order impugned with regard to non-cooperation in the investigation proceedings. The court concerned has not bothered to indicate on which dates the petitioner was made aware with regard to issuance of any letter by the investigating officer for seeking cooperation in the investigation, or even the date on which the non-bailable warrant was served upon the petitioner. There is only a bland assertion recorded in the impugned order that the petitioner is evading arrest. Section 82 CRPC pertains to proclamation for person absconding and for provisions of attachment. It clearly states that the court has to record a reason to believe if any person against whom a warrant has been issued by it has absconded or is concealing himself so that such warrant cannot be executed, then such court may publish a written proclamation requiring him to appear at specified place and at a specified time not less than 30 days from the date of publishing such proclamation. Over.